She heard her name in the rain. Then the storm answered.
The rain came down like nails, sharp and unforgiving. Eliza was driving home when the storm swallowed the highway. Visibility vanished, and the world shrank to headlights and water. Her phone lost signal. Then the car radio turned on by itself. Static. Breathing. Eliza, a woman's voice, whispered. Her hands tightened on the wheel. She had never told anyone her name tonight. The rain grew heavier, drumming in an uneven rhythm. Like footsteps running alongside the car. In the side mirror, she saw a figure pacing her, soaked, head bent low, feet never touching the ground. Eliza, the voice said again. Closer now. The engine died. Rain flooded the road as Eliza stepped out, shaking. The figure stood inches away, its face hidden beneath a curtain of water. Lightning revealed empty eye sockets, overflowing like broken drains. You stopped, he said calmly. That means you heard me. Cold water wrapped around Eliza's ankles, climbing fast. She screamed, but the storm swallowed her voice. By dawn, the highway was dry. Drivers passed an abandoned car on the shoulder. And whenever it rains there, the radio whispers a woman's name, waiting for the next one to stop.